Zhejiang Hongchuan Medical Technology Company Limited was first established in 2010, which is a large-scale enterprise group. We are specializing in R&D and manufacturing various kinds of air compressor, vacuum pumps and disinfection machines. We introduced advanced high-precision testing instruments, such as 3 coordinates dimensional measuring, quadratic elements, imaging instruments, etc. The parts and components all are for dimensional accuracy detection without dead ends. We has achieved digital, intelligent, and networked production management to ensure the precision and consistency of parts processing. Our products mainly serve industries, such as medical equipment, dental equipment, robotic arms, automation equipment, CNC workholden, beauty equipment, vacuum packaging equipment, new energy vehicles, dental porcelain oven, AC-powered and DC-powered solar pond aeration systems, etc. For key core components, from the production, assembly and testing, all are strictly tested to ensure the quality stability. HCEM attaches great importance for the talent cultivation, and continuously strengthens the construction and training of our R&D teams. We do our best to improve the R&D team with the professional technical level. At the same time, we are also actively cooperate with well-known domestic and foreign enterprises, and many research institutions, so that we can carry out some research and development projects, and the technical exchanges with this professional and rich experience. Our company can continuously expand the company's technical vision and research ideas, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced engineers are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. From the structural design, appearance design and mold development, are all done by our own R&D team. For all products we have a very rigid inspection process and all goods need 3 times QC inspection. Most of our products have 2 to 5 years quality warranty. We have many products have private mold, so you could never find the exactly same product from other suppliers, and you will have more control over the market. We are passionate about ODM orders. We help customers to explore new products with market trends together. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog, or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our professional customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We hope we can also help your business grow. Let's grow together.